change the bobbin on a bee. Release your Scotch tension line and just let it hang down there. Hold the whirl and unscrew the flyer. Slide the bobbin off. Make sure you don't lose the little white spacer. It helps the bobbin spin. Provides a buffer between the shaft collar and the bearing. Take your new bobbin, slide it onto the axle. I want to show something. There's very little clearance in the size of the axle and the inside of the bearing. If you try to slide it crooked, it's not going to move. It has to be aligned and it'll slide on very nicely. Okay, spun it on tight. Now then, give it that extra turn to make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come loose. And you have your bobbin changed. You're ready to start spinning again. Put a leader on it and start spinning.